Students, this is NCERT problem 1.3 from page number 22 of the solid state, right? So let's read the statement. An element has a body-centered cubic structure with a cell edge of 288 picometer. The density of the element is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? Okay, you're having an element acquiring body-centered cubic structure, okay, and the edge length of unit cell is 288 picometer. Okay, the density of the element is reported as 7.2 gram per centimeter cube, and they are saying if you are having 208 gram of the element, how many atoms are there in this element, right? So first of all, we'll see body centered cubic structure. That means the atoms of element arranged on the corners as well as one atom is arranged in the center of the body. Okay, so this is unit cell and the cell edge, that means this value is 288 picometer up to this place. Okay, so they are saying you have to find the number of atoms in 208 gram of the element. For this, what we will do, we'll first find the volume of unit cell, then the volume of 208 gram of the element. Okay, so when we will divide the volume of this 208 gram of the element with the volume of unit cell, we'll get the number of unit cells. Okay, so afterwards we'll multiply this with the effective number of atoms and we will get the answer, right? So we'll solve it by following steps. So the first step will be volume of the unit cell. Okay, so the edge length, that means A equal to 288 picometer. So what I'll do, I'll simply convert this value first into meter, right? So I know that 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. So 288 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? Now rearrange this value, so it will be 2.88 into 10 raised to power 2. That means if I'll multiply 2.88 with 100, I'll get 288 again. Okay, and here I'm having 10 raised to power 12. Here I'm having density in centimeter cube, right? So what I have to do, I have to convert this value first of all in centimeter to cancel these terms, right? So I know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So you can write over here 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so it will be 2.88 into 10 raised to power 2. Again, we'll have 10 raised to power 2 into 10 raised to power minus 12 centimeter. Okay, so we are having powers in multiplication. That means we can simply add them. Okay, so it will be 2.88 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 2. That will be 4 minus 12, right? So 4 minus 12, that will be minus 8. So 2.88 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Now we are having the edge length in centimeter. Now what we will do, we'll simply find the volume of unit cell, right? Unit cell is a cube. Okay, so volume of unit cell will be equal to A cube, right? So A equal to 2.88 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, so when you'll do the cube of this value, okay, so it will be 23.9, okay, into now cube of 10 raised to power minus 8, that will be minus 8 into 3, 10 raised to power minus 24 centimeter cube. Okay, now rearrange the value. If I'll displace this decimal from right to left, I'll have the power in plus. So 2.39 into 10 into 10 raised to power minus 24 centimeter cube. You can simply say that if you will multiply 2.39 with 10, you will get 23.9 again. Okay, here I am having powers in multiplication. So what I'll do, I'll simply add them. here the sign of this term is different, so it will do subtraction, right? So what I'll do, I'll take 1 over here. So 1 minus 24, that will be minus 23. So 2.39 into 10 raised to power minus 23 centimeter cube. Now we'll check the volume of 208 gram of the element, right? So volume of 208 gram of the element equal to, now we know a formula that volume equal to mass upon density, right? We are having mass, that is 208 gram divided by density, that is 7.9 gram per centimeter cube. So you'll cancel gram with gram, okay? So here we are having centimeter cube in denominator of denominator. So when it will be in numerator, it will go as it is. That means centimeter cube, right? So if you divide 208 with 7.2, the answer will be 28.88 centimeter cube, right? Now the next step will be, you have to find the number of unit cell in this volume. So number of unit cells in 28.88 centimeter cube volume equal to, that will be, what you'll do, you'll take volume of 208 gram of element divided by volume of 1 unit cell, right? If you'll obviously, if you'll divide these two terms, you'll get the number of unit cells, right? So the volume is 28.88 centimeter cube divided by volume of 1 unit cell is 2.39 into 10 raised to power minus 23 centimeter cube. You'll cancel centimeter cube with centimeter cube. Okay, so this 10 raised to power minus 23, when you will take it in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power plus 23, right? When you will divide 28.88 with 2.39, the answer will be 12.08 into 10 raised to power 23 unit cells, right? Now you have unit cells. Now the next step is, you have to find the effective number of atoms in BCC structure. So effective number of atoms in BCC structure, right? So what you will do, you see that this atom is shared by 8 unit cells, okay? So for 1 unit cell, the contribution of this atom will be 1 by 8, okay? So we are having total number of atoms 8, so into 8. Now this atom in the center of the body is shared only by 1 unit cell. That means the contribution of this atom will be totally belongs to this unit cell, right? So 1 by 8, when it will cancel with 8, it will be 1. You can write effective number of atoms in BCC structure will be contribution of atoms at the corners plus contribution of atoms. We are having only 1 atom, so contribution of atom in the middle of the body. So here we are having 1 by 8 contribution of 1 atom. Total atoms are 8. So 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 atom in the middle of the body. So plus 1, right? So I'll cancel this with this. So it will be 1 plus 1. That will be 2, right? That means the atoms present in BCC structure contributes equal to the 2 atoms, right? So now your next step is number of atoms in 208 gram of elements. So you can write number of atoms in 208 gram of element equal to effective number of atoms in BCC structure into number of unit cell in 28.88 centimeter cube volume. Okay, so effective number of atoms are 2 into number of unit cells in 28.88 centimeter cube volume, that are 12.08 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay, so it will be atoms, right? So when you'll multiply 2 with 12.08, you will get 24.16 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Now rearrange this value. If I'll move this decimal from right to left up to 1 digit, the power will be positive, right? You are moving it up to 1 decimal digit, so it will be 10 raised to power 1. So 2.416, right, into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Now 10 means 10 raised to power 1, right? So here we are having powers in multiplication. So simply add them. So 1 plus 23, that will be 24. So 2.416 into 10 raised to power 24 atoms are present in 208 gram of the element.